According to NASA, the humongous asteroid is bigger than the famous London Eye, which is 443 feet high and will make its closest approach to Earth on July 24, reported Birmingham Live. Potentially hazardous asteroids, PHAs, are currently defined based on parameters that measure the asteroid's potential to make threatening close approaches to the Earth, the NASA said on its website. Specifically, all asteroids with a minimum orbit intersection distance of 0.05 or less and an absolute magnitude, h, of 22.0 or less are considered PHAs, it added. Also rewatch, world's first ever 4K video of Mars captured by NASA rovers. World's first ever 4K video of Mars captured by NASA rovers. The space boffins in the United States have named the space rock asteroid 2020 ND and has been branded potentially hazardous. The monstrous rock measuring 170 meters will come within just 0.034 astronomical units, AU, of our planet on July 24. 1 AU, 149,598,000 kilometers, is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, and it is expected that coming Saturday, the gigantic asteroid, which is traveling at a staggering 13.5 kilometers per second, or 48,000 kilometers per hour, will be 5,086,327 kilometers away from our planet. A hair's width in astronomical terms also reads seismic noise in Earth's crust dramatically reduced globally due to seismic noise in Earth's crust dramatically reduced globally due to warning over its upcoming approach. Birmingham Live quoted the space agency as saying, potentially hazardous asteroids, PHAs, are currently defined based on parameters that measure the asteroid's potential to make threatening close approaches to the Earth. Specifically, all asteroids with a minimum orbit intersection distance of 0.05 or less are considered PHAs, it added further. Recently, NASA on its Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, website said, MEOs are comets and asteroids that have been nudged by the gravitational attraction of nearby planets into orbits that allow them to enter the Earth's neighborhood. The scientific interest in comets and asteroids is due largely to their status as the relatively unchanged remnants of brief in the solar system formation process some 4.6 billion years ago. Informing more about the nature of the asteroids, the agency said, the giant outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, formed from an agglomeration of billions of comets, and the leftover bits and pieces from this formation process are the comets we see today. Likewise, today's asteroids are the bits and pieces left over from the initial agglomeration of the inner planets that include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.